Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add bot to Discord server. So I'm gonna open a website here named top.gg. This is a very popular website to get unlimited bot and servers. So once you're here, type the bot name that you want to add to your Discord server. So right now I'm gonna adding this curl bot to my server. So I'm gonna clicking on invite, and you have to select the server where you want to add the bot and click on continue, authorize. So here you can see the bot has been added to my server. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.